y'all, I'm Patty, and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Continuing our Christmas get-together food, we're going to be making spinach dip. It's just your average, your normal, but I've never done this one. So I'm going to mix it up today, then tomorrow I'll show you what I do with the dip when it's done. Okay, I'm making a double batch. So I've got two 10-ounce bags of frozen chopped spinach. I don't even know what the hell it is. And you want to make sure that it's really squeezed out. There's plastic in there. Alright. And you need 32 ounces of sour cream. There you go. Oh, now that one wants to flop out. There it goes. You need 2 cups of mayonnaise, which is normally just one. Like I said, I'm doubling this. This is my second jar of Dukes that I've used. I got one more because I still got a few more things to do. Okay. Now, they didn't have any of the Knorr vegetable dip because everything's hard to come by, but I got the SE Grocers, which is the Bilo brand. And you need a package of that. Don't let the envelope beat you.
So you're putting in 2 packages.
Well, yeah, I'm doing it. You don't listen, do you? I'm using a double batch.
I know. You hate it when you do that.
I do. I can't stand it, but hey. And you really want to make this a few hours, if not the night before, so it can really meld together and all the flavors. Because that vegetable mix needs to marry in there and make it taste good. Alright, I got it mixed up, so I'll bring you back tomorrow and show you what I do whenever it's ready to serve. Be back tomorrow. Alright, y'all, I'm back. It's the next morning. I'm getting ready to do what I do with my spinach dip. But I gotta tell y'all something. Last night, after I made the spinach dip, I tasted it. And I was like, oh, gross. Because, you know, whenever you put the vegetable dip, dry dip in there, it's all hard and everything. It's not molded. And Tony's like, oh, so I guess it's no good now. I said, no, it just needs to marry overnight. And
actually, the saying was, let's taste it. Yuck.
I'm glad I wasn't online. All right, what I do, I've got a round of Hawaiian bread, or you can make your own bread. This was the very last thing they had of these at Bilo. And my girls like this bread, so I've got to save it, and I just scoop it out. I saved that little bit of top there. You'll see why in a minute. But I usually try to get most of the bread out. Okay. And all I do is boy, if I dropped this, that would have been horrible. I put the spinach dip in it. And you got your serving bowl. Yay! I'm going to go ahead and put all of it. And all I do is I put the top back on it, and now it's transportable. Alright guys, this is our spinach dip. I want to thank y'all for joining me. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have y'all in the family. And when you do, hit the notification bell, that way you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Share this out on your social media. Give me a big thumbs up and leave me a comment. Alright guys, spinach dip's ready. See y'all later.